I'm going to show you a short video about the data and the ISP software. We will see the data that we gather from the Environmental European Agency is data concerning body water. It's aggregate form, so actually it's not so useful for our work. Then we will compare them with the same data, but with higher detail. We took it from ARPACAL. And at the end, we will compare the high quality data with number of beds in the hotel in the area. So we have selected the body water data quality component in the diagram. Here, the data is aggregated by the European Environmental Agency. The quality is divided into 4 classes that go from 1, which is poor, to 4, which is excellent. From the graph, you can see that almost all official points of survey in our project area have a good or excellent quality. The same thing that Domenico Pappatera said this morning. So I can think that the quality is quite good, but we have to remember that this data aggregated by here. Same thing. Okay, you can see that most of the points are with a blue color, which means that they have excellent quality. Okay, I have selected higher detail quality data, the same data, but with a higher detail from ARPACAL, which we collected from official reports. From the graph, you can see that in the top, there are annual means for Enterococcus, and in the middle for E. coli, that are under the limits, not so much, but under the limits, while the peaks for the summer periods are higher than the limits. This happened for 2 municipalities, which are Cassano al Ionio, which we are, and Corigliano Rossano. In the lower graph, I can see that the limits have been exceeded 13 times and 6 times during the summer period. Okay. The strength of this software is that it lets you cross the data in a short amount of time. In literally 10 minutes, I crossed the values of Enterococcus and E. coli with the number of beds in hotel, which you can see this time at the bottom of the graph. And you can see that there is a strong correlation that has to be verified, of course, between the exceedances, the peaks in the summer period with the number of beds. Of course, still, the top of the graph is the same as before, but there is a correspondence with the number of beds in the municipalities.